Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm a corporate chef and I have my own business, Baked in Barrel. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful Bircher Muesli using the white wings oats. First ingredient we're going to put into our container is our oats. So we've got our almond milk, we've got some cranberries, some coconuts, and then our seeds. So our seeds are going to go in, it's going to give us a nice little crunch to our Bircher Muesli as well. Now the last little bit is our honey. So once again a little bit of sweetness going in, and then we're going to mix that all up and pop it in the fridge overnight to soak. So now our white wings oats have been soaking overnight. So what we're going to do now is just to plate it up and make it look really pretty. So I'm going to put a nice big serve of our Bircher, our sunflower seeds, so adding some extra crunch, some yogurt, just a little bit of coconut, adding the colour with our berries, and our strawberries. And then the last thing we're going to top it with for some extra crunch and some flavour is our toasted white wings muesli. And there we go, there's our Bircher Muesli done using our white wings oats and our white wings toasted muesli. A great start to your morning.